Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can simply remove Microsoft Edge from your computer. So how are you going to do it? First, we have to come over into our start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that, we're going to click on apps and then we'll find the option called installed apps. If you click on that, then you'll find all of your apps that are installed into your computer. You'll get them all over here. And you can see after scrolling a little bit, you'll find the Microsoft Edge and there is 3 vertical dot. If you click on that, you can see there is installed option is grayed out and it's invisible. So how are you going to make it visible and remove the Microsoft Edge from the computer? Very simple. You have to come over into your search option, going to search for registry editor, and after that you will find the registry editor over here. So if you click on run as administrator, there will be a permission, click yes. After that you can see your register is opened, and now what we're going to do, we're going to copy this comment over here. You can see, going to copy it and then we're going to paste it over here like this. Click enter and then it will redirect you to the Microsoft Edge folder very easily. Don't worry, I will give you this prompt or this command into video description. From there you can simply copy it and then paste it over here like me. After coming on Microsoft Edge folder, you'll find the option called no remove. If you click on the right mouse button, click on modify, you can see that the value data is 1. So we need to make it 0. Click OK and now close the registry editor. After that, we just need to come over start icon another time, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that, we just need to go for apps another time, simply go for installed apps and then scroll down a little bit and you will find the Microsoft Edge over here. If you click on this 3 vertical line, and now we can see your install option is not grayed and now it's visible. So if you click on install, click yes for the permission, and after a very short time your Microsoft Edge will be gone. For a short time your Microsoft Edge will be gone from your computer. You can see there is no Microsoft Edge icon over here, no icon into the taskbar. But for a verification, you can simply just make a restart and your problem is gone. So this is how you can simply install Microsoft Edge in your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.